have a look. And actually, it's a nice size bag when you think about it. Whoop, there. So it's a good size bag for carrying the accessories. Little handle on the top then. See it here. So not too bad. Happy enough with that. Let's have a look. I got this memory card. I have it in there already. And the memory card was €17 and that's including delivery as well. Which is great. Because 128 gig, it's HD as well, or it's 4K as well, as you can see here. I'll bring it a bit closer there. I put a link in the bio as well for that. Really handy because I had a 16 gigabyte but it wasn't great. And I've ordered batteries for the GoPro and I've also ordered a mic adapter, so hopefully they'll work on the helmet as well. But let's get into what we have here first. I'm going to lay them all out one by one. So we push this up a bit here. So the first one is a clip. So you can put this in the back of your bike or anything like that. Really handy. Again, fits the GoPro. All the stuff has those fittings on it. So quite handy for this. So that's one. What else do we have? I think this is some kind of, I'm looking up behind you there, I think this is some kind of flotation device, I'm not sure. Because they have them listed, they have everything listed off here. But some of the stuff is not listed on it. So, let's try best guess what they are. So we'll have a look through this. Anyway, so must be some kind of flotation device again. The little stickers here might come in handy for when I'm putting the, if I want to put the camera somewhere on my helmet, because the grooves on my helmet are quite different. They're not on the LS2, they're not flat on the front of it, so it might be handy for that. I think it's some kind of flotation device. It's really spongy and soft. If anybody knows what it is, let me know. I really don't know, so let me know on that one. Drop it in the comments below and we can all figure out what it is together. And we'll just take these bright bits first. So this is what they're calling it on here, a blue floating strap. So it saves your GoPro and waterproof camera from sinking, keeping your camera safe in the water. Great for vacation trips and water activities, snorkeling. And wear it on your wrist to free it up both hands, or let it float on at your side without the hassle of holding the camera. So you really got to trust your GoPro. The GoPro is waterproof as far as I know. I wouldn't be going too deep with it anyway. I don't know about yourselves. So it has a little lanyard here that you can hook on somewhere onto the GoPro, I'm sure. So another flotation device. So we're going in that theme. Here's another one. I'd probably use this because it's a proper floater, as you say. Let's have a look. Yeah, so that just goes in there. That'll hook in there like the rest. Or the other ones. So that might be good to have that bobbing along if you're in the water. And again, you have your lanyard, and it's nice bright blue as well. So you'll see your GoPro much easier if you do drop it into the water. So I would say I'll be testing that at some stage. I test them all and try to get a video in the water. That would be cool. I'll try not to use that word as much. I'm just going to move some of these up. Okay, so the next one then, I presume you'd use it for your car better. So you have your fitting there again for the GoPro, and then you have your suction tape here, and then you have your little clip. It'll stick there. I will actually try this in my car as well, see what it's like, just to let you know. So I will give you little reviews, or in the videos I'll I'll try to review them again at some stage, all of them, and tell you how they work for me. But they seem solid enough. All the fittings look correct anyway. I'll check them as well, but they look correct. And yeah, it's a good standard. It got like 4.5 stars out of 5 on Amazon, so it must be pretty decent. Then we have a bag of the little sticky mounts, which I really need for the helmet. I have one for the top, but to do with all of these, so you have any amount of those there. You can see a couple of holders here, flat ones, more rounded ones. Yeah, 4 of those. 4 of those, and then you have good few stickies. So if anyone's stuck for a sticky for the helmet, give me a shout and I'll throw 1 or 2 your way. Sharing is caring, as they say. So yeah, that's all of those there. It's good, eh? We'll go for next. What's this? I think this might be for your wrist. So let's have a look. Yeah, 360. So it's a wrist strap, and actually, does that clip mount? No. Okay. I thought the clip mount might go 360. Says it there, but maybe there's a different setting for it. So this is the wrist one. This is really handy, like this. I don't know how you freeze. Oh yeah, look, cool. I want to say it anyway because it's my favorite word. So you can see it there. So that's the lock there. Perfect. So that's perfect. I actually might take this off and use it for my for the front of my helmet. Might be even better, but it's great on. It'll be great on the wrist. It's a simple locking device. Very simple. I love this. This is actually one of my favorites already. Cool. Yeah. So you could use this in the water, anywhere in the water. Even if you're swimming, you can have it any way around, or even if you're, yeah, that'd be interesting. All in all, this is the job. I wasn't expecting one like this. It's perfect. Perfect for adventures. So, what else do we have? We have helmet strap. So this is more, I think this is more for a cyclist. So you can put the strap around the helmet, or the circumference of the helmet, then have it on your bike helmet. So that could be for cyclists. So might give that to one of the lads who does a bit of cycling instead. I'm just going to move this back a small bit. So strap, spare strap, I would say, if you want an extension on the strap. Wi-Fi remote wrist strap, it says. Attach your Wi-Fi remote to your wrist. Oh, yeah, perfect for skiing, snowboarding, surfing. I think we're okay on that, lads. I don't think we need to be, lads and ladies, I don't think we need to be using that. What else do we have? Keep this for later. So you have your selfie stick, which might be handy. Little mini Deise Rebel might use this. It's a bit of fun. Extends long enough, but I've been told that you wouldn't want to be putting our camera on the end of this when it's fully extended. So it's okay for if you're doing minimal things, as I would say. I wouldn't really use it much, but then again, you never know. We give it a try. We might. Well, that's handy again. Little hanger for your wrist here as well. Just hold it there. Keep it a bit safer. Selfie stick. I think most stuff comes with selfie sticks anyway. This is one of the things that I really like. I've been after a gorilla pod for ages, but this one is really handy. Very flexible rubber at the end. You can see it here. Rubber at the end, so it'll be nice and protected. And then you have your different settings here. And that moves around there as well. You can take that off or screw it in, whatever way. So the tripod, it's not the biggest quality, but it's quality enough for what you use it for. So these as well, I didn't know what these were when I got them, but on this has AntiFog insert into the housing to prevent lens fog in cold and humid environments, reusable up to 4 times. So I think you put onto your camera on the inside housing of the camera. Where it fits, I don't know. I'll have to look up for that. If anyone knows, let me know if you've used them before. Yeah, no problem. It's the brother. I know. Ooh, interesting. This is head strap. So the head strap can be strapped over a helmet or directly on your head in a headlamp position. It's fully adjustable to all sizes. Again, probably won't use it, but you never know. It can be handy for something. Good quality again, really sturdy. There's little rubbers on the inside here if you can see them. So maybe that would stick to the helmet or stick to your own head, one way or the other. So this is one that I would definitely use, the chest strap. I mind a bundle of stuff, I'll do it all out later. So this is fairly, I put it on already and it holds really well. You have a little clip here and it loosens it and closes it, and it's actually pretty solid. So I've worn it in around the house. I've worn it out on the bike yet, but with that plate, it's solid, you know. Definitely using this. That's a quality piece as well. If I can't fit the helmet onto my helmet, then I will use that. So then we have this big bag of stuff. I'm going to move the stuff there for a sec, just to show you everything. Okay, so these are all the different accessories. So these are all the camera parts for your GoPro that you can stick them all together. So if you look at it, the amount of them is, you have little round pieces here, you have extensions, little clips, really handy little curved clip, so you can use them for so many different things. All of these as well, these are going to come in super handy. They might look like nothing now, but they might solve a problem when you have different types of helmets coming in. What do you have in here? Another little disc. Again, might come in handy for something. And this is the wrench spanner screw tool, designed to work with 4-sided thumb screws. Easy thumb screws. Just handy little wrench spanner screw tool with a lanyard on it there as well. You can, the thing I like about these is I can take that lanyard and put it on something else. really comes in handy for changing things around, which I like to do, and I think most of the lads I talk to that ride bikes love changing things around to their own specifications. So there's loads of those different types of fittings, clips. Here's another one. That's a nice curved one. That you can use those for the handlebars of your bike. Again, solid out, really solid. Everything here, little screws. Like, I'm really impressed with this. They really feel solid, and just even by holding them, you know they're going to do the business for you. So that's more or less everything there. So I'll show you the inside of the bag as well. The bag is really handy, you know, something simple, but it's very effective for you. If you're going off somewhere, just pack that in your bag. Really handy, and it's a nice looking bag as well. Good quality. Quality is good for the price for the bag as well. So that's everything. So if you have any questions or anything like that, just ask me about them. I'm new to this accessory malarkey as well, but I'm very impressed with it. I'm very happy for €35, because if you were spending all of this amount of money on like GoPro exact stuff, it would be in the hundreds, I would think, easily. And the memory card as well is 128 gig. Great value, really happy with it. If you're thinking about getting them, get it, because the amount of accessories you have, you won't know what to do with half of them, but that's a good thing, because you'll always have backup, and you'll always be able to share them then as well. So that's it for the review. And it's not even a review, it's just to show you what I got. I haven't used any of them, but I will, and I'll get back to you on it. And I'm going to leave, I'm going to organise all these, well, somewhat, and show you how all the accessories that you get. It'll probably fill up the table. So, thanks very much. Deise Rebel out.